8,926 times 5. We will draw a box that has 4 boxes in it because this is a 4-digit number. Then we will put our 5 on the side. Our large number goes on in expanded form at the top, so think about how much each digit is worth. The 8 is worth 8,000, the 9 is worth 900, the 2 is worth 20, and then we have 6. Area is length times width. So we're going to take our numbers down and over to be able to multiply them together. Make sure that your 5 goes across into every single box. And as we start to multiply, we'll start in that first box. I know 5 times 8 is 40, but then I need 3 more zeros, giving me 40,000. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 2 more zeros gives me 4,500. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 more zero gives me 100. 6 times 5 is 30. I am going to add these numbers together on this side, making sure that my place values are nice and lined up. When I add these together, that is going to give me a grand total of 44,630.